guys, running Kimono here. So this Saturday, January the 2nd, over at the Dollar General, lots of buzz, lots of talk about what's going on with the different gain scenarios. And if you're a Dollar General shopper, you know that's the day to get out there and make some of these deals happen. Well, one of you guys actually reached out to me and you were like, hey, that $5 coupon in the January PNG, could this work with the deal? And I kind of looked at the math and I'm like, oh my God, the subscriber is on to something. So I prepared a deal specifically to use that 5 off coupon with digitals and the promotion at the store. So it's going to be insane, guys. 58 cents per plug. Oh my gosh. So we're going to need to do this on a Saturday, have the 5 off of 20 and the 5 off of 25 loaded. As you can see, the two line up on that Saturday the 2nd, so that's when all the magic will happen. But there's a couple rules in this, because if you're really new to this, I'm just going to kind of describe like what are the rules. First off, don't be intimidated in there, because the worst case scenario, if things don't go your way, just void your transaction and walk out. Easy as that. But the biggest savings happen on the 2nd because you need that 5 off of 25 to stack with this deal. So hopefully you can follow my lead. Use the Dollar General app to scan the items to make sure that that 5 off is attaching, plus the 5 off of 25. So both the manufacturer and the store coupon. Pay attention to the math that everything's lining up for that cost, that something's not on some weird clearance or pennied out or something bizarre, but it shouldn't. Because this is like meat and potatoes items. It hasn't been on a penny list, these plugs. And these are some Michigan prices too. So if it's a lot more or a lot less where you're living, just please keep that in mind that I'm up here in Michigan. And any issues, as I described at the beginning, like where things are, you're paying an extra $5 or $10, void the transaction and start from scratch. And just to show you guys, because one of the complaints we hear a lot over here is that the 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 20, the Dollar General coupons, they don't stack. And they in fact do. So if you follow precisely what I'm saying and how to punch in your phone number and stuff, they do. This was a basket from about, I think, a month and a half ago, and I got it to stack and I got it down to $6.12. All these digital coupons for this specific one, like the Maxwell House and stuff, they're all gone because this was like a month and a half ago. But $6.12 for all of this, I mean, that's fantastic. If there are any hiccups or problems or issues, in the community tab of this YouTube page, I will be posting information Saturday morning, and then also on my Instagram if you want to go give me a follow over there. That's my Instagram name. But yeah, it works. You have to have a little bit of faith and take a little bit of leap of faith here. But if you can see the really significant and deep savings, that's when you know that it's absolutely worth doing these deals. Okay, so this first deal, we're just going to call it the plug deal because it has to do with those FEBREZE plugs. You need your 2 cornerstones, which is the 5 off of 25 for Saturday, as we're doing this deal on a Saturday, so it will come into play, along with the 5 off of 20. All digital coupons over at the Dollar General are of a one-time use. Please don't forget that. So for this specific deal, we're going to be grabbing 3 of these plugs at $9.50. So it has a weird thing there that it says that it is for, it ends on the 2nd, but that's a regular price point. And that $5 coupon, I believe, is valid till the 9th. So hopefully you could track some of them down. This is the sticker a little, so you can see it a little more closely. But those double packs are $9.50, which is still really expensive for FEBREZE plugs. But I guess if you love it, this is like something that people love to buy. Also, I would go first thing in the morning because I have the sneakiest suspicion, because this is such a high value coupon, that 5 off, the manufacturer to accompany this, that people will clear this really quickly on Saturday morning because it's such a hot deal. Going into the app, we're going to need to load this $5 off. So it's 5 off of one of these double packs. As you can see, it's valid till the 9th. So we still have this week and next week to play with it if you wish. But like, how great is this coupon? And it's a 5 off of 1. Usually it's like 5 off of 2. So please don't get fooled by that, because you have to like read this 18 times. And then over in the January PNG, they have an identical coupon to that, which is a 5 off of 1 of those double packs. Now, the verbiage of this one is kind of strict. It says that you can use 2, and that's all we need to make this deal happen. So you're going to need 2 manufacturer coupons from your January PNG. And I believe this came in last weekend's insert. So hopefully you have at least 2 newspapers. I mean, if you don't, maybe just go to your newspaper office and see if they might sell you an old newspaper if you know you're kind of at the wire and you want to do this deal. There's 100 different ways to do it. Ask family and friends, figure something out to get 2 of these coupons. Okay, so looking at the math for this, 3 of those Febreze with Gain, it has to have the Gain logo on it. They're a double pack. They're $9.50. Well, for 3 of them, guys, that's $28.50. So right there, you make your cap of your 5 off of 20 and the 5 off of 25 for the $2 general boosters. So after the cashier scans the 3 plugs, then you will present your 2 paper coupons from the January PNG. They're 5 off of each, so that's $10. That'll get shaved off right there. After the cashier scans the last manufacturer coupon, that's when you punch in your phone number into the keypad. And this is just my method, and it always seems to work. And then after that, when the cashier presses the final pay button, the 5 off of 25, 5 off of $20 general coupons will come off, along with the $5 digital that I showed you in the slides previous for the Febreze plug. The new subtotal will be $3.50 plus tax for these double packs. So you're getting 6 plugs altogether, $3.50 divided by 6. Well, it's 58 cents per plug. For a product that's almost $9.50 to pay like $1 and some change per, like that is some significant savings. And if you can try and line this up, you know, I know a lot of you really want this for your home because your house will smell like a beautiful Gain explosion of cleanliness and godliness and all that stuff. So this is a deal I would do Saturday morning over at the Dollar General because it is fantastic. And let's just say you live in the Midwest and you cannot find any of these Gain plugs because somebody went and bought all of them, or, you know, it's just they don't have any in stock. Alternatively, you can go back on the 9th, see if they might have it, or you could go to a Meijer grocery store. Okay, so Meijer is predominantly in the Midwest, and as you can see, these double packs, it has to be this double pack. It's on clearance for $4.98. Utilizing one of those $5 coupons from the January PNG, well, you're just paying the tax for this and you're getting it completely for free. That is awesome. Now, at Meijer, the coupon limit is 2 like coupons per transaction. So say you have 2 of these coupons, find 2 of these plugs, you can get 2 for tax. And it's that great. I don't think Walmart or any other store has dropped these at this cost because people would be posting this all over social media. So I think this is either the Dollar General with the Gain or this, very inexpensive. Let's just say that you unfortunately don't get any inserts where you live, but you have a Meijer account. The MPerk, which is basically the manufacturer coupon, there's a $5 off on your account. It's valid till the 9th. And so with the one MPerk, you can get one of these completely for free. So I would absolutely get organized and try and find these plugs. All these digitals for this end on the 9th, as does the manufacturer. So do it sooner than later, and this is just absolutely fantastic to get these plugs for like free. We never see that. It's a few times a year, and this is the time to really pounce on these deals. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.